Hi everyone, I'm Senan. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Kollegio, and today with me is Ali.
Hey guys, I'm Ali. I do all the social media and marketing for Collegio.
Awesome. So today we're just going to do a little walkthrough of the app and hopefully give everyone watching a little bit context on what the best ways to use it is. So first you land on our dashboard, and this is the populated version. So yours is going to look a little bit different, but once you've added all your stuff in, it's going to look like this. So we usually recommend students come in and start using the college feature. And once you input your GPA, so if I take off the GPA, it's going to lock um, lock all of these statuses, right? So this is what you'll be presented with when you first see. And we basically um, put schools as target reaches and safeties depending on your GPA. So if I say I have a 4.0, then it basically tells me, okay, which ones are reaches, which ones are targets based on just this data point. And it also takes into account your extracurriculars and other pieces as well. So let me put in a SAT score again as well. Now it has even more data. If I want to filter, I say I want to see my targets. It's going to tell me that these schools are my targets. If I want to say show me my safeties, it's going to show me these schools are my safeties. We have all sorts of filters on the left. If you say I want to see only schools in urban areas, I want to see only schools with this much maximum tuition. This is like the sticker price, this much in-state application fee. Can you sort it by which schools are the best for foreign languages? Based on all of these, show me a safety that is good for foreign languages. It's going to tell me, okay, University of Washington. And then you can add these schools to your list right here. And we collect a whole bunch of data for each school. And if there's any data that's wrong, please do report it, but it's pretty accurate. We have our own Collegio rankings for all of these things. So hopefully this is really helpful for you as decide about colleges and think about colleges. So did that make sense, Ali? Is there anything that's like maybe unclear?
No, that makes sense.
Okay, awesome. And here's the guide also. So if there's a point, like let's say on the college list, you're confused about what something means, I definitely recommend looking at this guide. On the main Collegio page, we also have a whole bunch of blogs. So a whole bunch of really cool blogs are here. So we post like two a week. So if you're interested about learning different aspects of the college mission, definitely recommend reading those. Yeah, so that was the colleges feature. So the next one I want to show you is the extracurricular feature. So you can fill in your background from here in the profile piece. So you add in a little bit about yourself. It doesn't need to be too long, but the more detail you give it, the better it gets. And essentially the AI remembers this background for every single piece of your application process that it interacts with. So here you can see that I put some of the things that I'm interested in, and I can upload my activities. I can add them one by one. I can also upload a PDF. So I'll just upload this PDF, and it's going to give me like it's going to preload all of my activities. So we're working on something. So maybe even in 5, 6 days from now, we'll be able to upload any resume, and you can just have your activities load in directly. So that'll be super cool. And you can generate AI feedback, and it's going to tell you some of the different things about what you should do. If you're confused about some of the words or terms we use, I recommend checking the guide or just Googling it. Um, yeah, so that's cool. And we also give you feedback on the individual piece as well. So I can click on an individual activity and I say, okay, give me feedback on this individual activity. And it's going to give me feedback right here. So that's another really cool feature that we have. Um, yeah, is there anything that, Ali, that you think we should add here, or maybe something that would be useful for students?
Um, no, I think it looks good. I think it's helpful to
Okay.
keep it all on.
Awesome. So once you add colleges to your university list, we collect all of the essays for each college. So if I say Princeton right here, I automatically load in all the essays Princeton needs for Stanford, all of the essays Stanford needs. It's super duper cool. Again, the college list is going to up like the supplement list, like these are called supplemental essays, are going to update on August 1st. So we're going to update it all then. And let's say I pick this one, give me a historical moment I wish I could have witnessed. So I can I can either say I know what I want to write about, it skips straight to a plan generator. I can say I want to brainstorm essays based on my background. So that's the background you fill out. Or you can say new essay ideas, which is just give me new ideas based on not my background. So one thing we're very clear about is we don't write your essays for you, and we take an ethical approach to this. We're in alignment with university policies. So here it's going to ask me about historical events that sparked a curiosity or passion. I can say, I loved learning about the American Revolution. What was your favorite historical event, Ali?
I don't know. All of it.
Nice. Is history like a mandatory subject in American high schools, or is it like?
Yeah, it's pretty well known. My dad, he lives in Plymouth, Massachusetts, which is Plymouth Rock.
Mhm.
That's very historical.
I
But the
see.
rock's very small, so we find it really funny. The size of a pebble.
So Plymouth Rock was where the first like Americans landed on.
Yep.
Oh wow,
That's
that's super cool.
yeah. Boston Party, it's a good one.
It showed me that people would stand up for their rights. So now it's gonna, like you see, it asked me 3 or 4 questions, and it's gonna generate a topic for me, which is super helpful. So this is now a topic that like I've thought about, and it's kind of helped me come up with an idea. And I can say, okay, this is a cool idea, let's go for it. And now it's going to help me generate a plan. So this is just a 50-word plan. It's going to give me a huge plan, and it's also going to talk about things I mentioned in my background. So this is a super useful feature that a lot of students who are using the application currently use. Then we jump straight to the essay writer. We have all sorts of really cool writing tools that you just highlight a sentence and you can use. So you can shorten, lengthen, reword, add transitions. You can get feedback on your essays as well. So this is something that's really useful. So it's telling me all sorts of feedback about the essay. I can, highlight this and I say, hey, give me a transition. Now it's going to help me come up with a transition. And all of these AI writing tools are compliant with university policies. So here it's giving me some examples of what to do. And it's super duper helpful. And yeah, the last feature I want to show off that is super cool. Actually, we have a notes feature also here, which is you can add notes, which is pretty nice if you want to remember things. Is this plan generator? So I can come here, I can mark, what I've done, what's completed, how much I've completed from my essays and things like that, what decision I'm applying for. And then I click generate plan. And now it's going to keep in mind like the different similarities between different essays. And it's going to tell me like, oh, you should do, this essay first because it's similar to this other essay and things like that. And you can jump straight to the essay writer. You can mark them as you complete them. So this is the type of thing that's going to really make sure that you stay on track as you complete your college applications. Yeah. So that was a quick little walkthrough of everything we're doing here at Collegio. And I hope this was, interesting and useful for everyone. Yeah, thanks for joining me also today, Ali.
No problem. I think it's super helpful. Quick question just before we close off about the essays. So if I'm sending it in, am I gonna get ever flagged from like Turnitin or any AI source that this is an AI stated doc?
That's a great question. Thanks so much for asking. So 100% it is impossible for them to track your essay, because the thing is we don't write the essay for you. We just give you suggestions. So
Mhm.
everything Collegio is like having a super expensive, super smart counselor just sitting next to you and helping you ethically. And that's what's really cool about the product. And yeah, it's literally impossible for it to be detected because we actually don't do that. So yeah, I'm a recent Stanford grad and I'm really um, on the ball about like AI detection and like where that is. And that technology is getting more sophisticated, but we're in a completely different lane because we're ethically helping you. So yeah, definitely sign up for Collegio. It's 100% free. It's going to be free this whole admission cycle. So this is the time to use it. Thank you so
Totally.
much. Bye bye.